What is today's date? Grade 8? 2081 310. Okay. Presentation, explanation, everything going on. Now let me welcome on the stage our. Will you maintain your tie? Tie is going one side. What is this? Very confusing, right? So first presentator for today. Actually, we are continuing it. The slides were made by Sarvani and Group C, Group D, and presentators yesterday who presented Prayas, and the super guru was Yunis. You are super guru, okay. And today presentator Prajwal and super guru is Janice. Please start. Later I will call him. Then you.
Namaskar everyone. As you all know, I am Prajwal from grade 8. Today I am going to present about fungi. Fungi Protista is a diverse group of eukaryotic microorganisms often referred to as a kingdom within the domain Eukarya.
Yeah. That is what is that?
Biodiversity play, playing vital roles in ecological balance, industry, and human health. Their unique characteristics and diverse life strata make them a fascinating and important group of organisms.
Now explain.
Fungi are an essential part of the
How is reading shape sentence? Next slide. Next slide. Yes, only that much. Okay, I'm ready to explain. Or you will explain. Okay, just there. Go ahead. Okay, come here.
So as you all know, it's me Niranjan Shrestha, one of your classmates. So today I am going to explain about the topic fungi. As we all know, fungi is also a kingdom of the five kingdom classification. Protista. So it's given about fungi. Fungi are an essential part of the Earth's biodiversity. It means to say that it's given about biodiversity. Biodiversity. Biodiversity means the surrounding in which the living organisms are situated in a concerned way, playing vital roles in ecological balance. It's given about ecological balance. The balance between all the animals in our environment is called ecological balance. Industry and human health. Their unique characteristics and diverse life strategies make them a fascinating and important group of organisms. It says that the characteristics of fungi are very much fascinating. They are vast, and their life strategies make them a fascinating and important group of organisms. Is given here about life strategies. Fungi, uh, they are the third kingdom. They are the third kingdom in five kingdom classification. Uh, some organisms or the species that are classified or separated in the kingdom fungi are like mushrooms. We all know about mushroom, that mushroom are a species from kingdom fungi. So mushroom, as it is said here, their unique characteristics like of mushroom, they are non-green and diverse life strategies, how they live in their life, their feeding structure, their behavioral action. make them a fascinating and important group of organisms. Uh, we have studied here about Monera, Protista, fungi, Animalia, and Plantae. But not only studying them is important, but these organisms or the kingdom they helps to continue the ecosystem in a proper way, as they help for the life cycle in all the organisms like producers, decomposers, and consumers. By this much, the slide is over. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, so thank goes to the site producer who prepared this slide. Now let's see here what was it to be discussed. We'll open this one. Which class is this? Class 8, right? Class 8. So can you see here this coccus? What is this? Types of bacteria. Bacillus, bacteria. Spirillum, bacteria. Vibrio, that is just discussed last time. And protista. Some examples of a protista are amoeba, paramecium, euglena, etc. And one thing they forgot to tell, what is this? Amoeba. Amoeba belongs to kingdom. Which,
Yeah, the list of them, how we are giving the numbers.
yeah, I'll give you. I'll prepare it. Okay. So this is the diagram of amoeba. One thing you have to keep in mind, amoeba has no fixed shape. Its shape changes time to time. It has got false feet. What are those false feet called? Pseudopodia. Pseudopod, singular. But here given pseudopods or pseudopodia. That is the false foot of amoeba. So here it has got food vacuole. And what is here? Contractile vacuole. Food vacuole contains food, and contractile vacuole it contains waste materials. It is thrown out, and it has got nucleus because is it a prokaryotic animal, organism, or eukaryotic organism? Eukaryotic organism. So look at this nucleus; it is well developed, right? So a single cell of amoeba is capable of doing reproduction, excretion, digestion, ingestion. Ingestion means taking in food, egestion, throwing out, respiration, etc. Right? And the easiest method to make diagram is method of drawing the diagram of amoeba. Just draw one rough figure, mark their food vacuole, contractile vacuole, pseudopodia, nucleus. You will get the marks. Right? Is that clear or not? And one thing you have to keep in mind, uh, the outermost covering is cell membrane. Cell membrane. Earlier, these protozoans, they were kept in animalia because outermost part is cell membrane. Isn't it? Like bacteria, they were kept in Plantae. Protozoans, they were kept in animalia. And fungi, fungi, they are non-green. Why are they non-green? They do not contain chlorophyll. If they do not contain chlorophyll, then can they manufacture food? No. That's why they are non-photosynthetic. What are they? And they may be saprophyte or parasite. Can you see a saprophyte? What is spelling? That's right, yes. And parasites? Saprophytes, they obtain food from dead and decaying matter. From where? Dead and decaying matter. So they obtain from dead and what is that? Decaying matter. And parasites, they obtain their food from living beings. They do not kill the living being. They get their food easily, and their body structure is not so much complicated. That is made up of thread-like structure. What that thread-like structure called? Hypha. Hypha. And how do they reproduce? Different methods are there. Asexual methods like fission, budding, and sporulation. What is my fission? Fission means one body is here, right? One organism. It divides into how many? Two. From one, how many are formed? That is fission. So Mr. Neopani is here. Cut his body into two parts. New Neopani. What is that? Fission. But it is not possible. They may think, oh, let's cut Neopani and make into two parts. Tomorrow means next day they bring one sword and cut. Not like that. They can't. But in case of some fungi, especially in yeast, what is this? Yeast. Okay, yes, it happens. Next one is boarding. Boarding is very interesting. In there is again next technology, like if this is mature cell, what is this? Then a small structure is produced. We call it board. Again, it becomes a little bit bigger, and now how many are formed? One parent, another baby, parent and baby. So what is this process called? Budding. In budding, small structure is produced here. Sometimes what will happen? Suppose this is yeast, matured yeast. One body is formed, another body is formed, another body is formed. A bud. Chain of buds are there, right? Later on, new start formed. Well, this is budding. And what is next one? Sporulation. Sporulation means very small structures are produced, like powdery structures. And these powdery structures, they germinate and give rise to new organism, let's say. And the study of fungi is called mycology. Please look at here. What is given here? Mycology. That's why fungi are also called mycota. Fungi are also called, and the study of fungi is called mycology. And these are microorganisms also. These are microbes. I mean, they can cause different type of diseases, fungal diseases. One lovely fungal disease is scabies. Have you heard this one? S S no, SCABIES. Do you know what is scabies? It is very lovely disease. It can be noticed in our skin. You like to scratch and scratch and scratch. Luto. Have you heard that luto? Have you suffered or not? If you do not bath regularly, if you do not wash your hands, then you may suffer. And scratching and scratching. Right? Okay. Please. Hey, 4.5 and 5.5, who is talking there? These are the examples of fungi. What are they? Yeast, mucor, rhizopus, mushroom. So, among them, yeast is unicellular, mucor, rhizopus, mushroom is multicellular. Dalle chow. Yes or no? We call it dalle chow? Yes. Okay. Only that much was the presentation for today, right? Give them a big round of applause. Very good. So, Anupam is a smart school, right? And you are smart student. So, smart students, they do the work smartly. And today, we have got next presenter. I have already seen here. Okay, I have got here two. Oh, three are here. So, hi, I am Kishore. You will be presented by this one. So, who will do? I am Kishore. Who is this? His name is? Yeah. So, where is it?
No, sir. First, the
No, where is this one? You have not sent.
I have said
Where is it?
yes.
Where? Prajwal Maharjan? Oh, Jain Lama will send. Today, Jain Lama will. Tensions are there. If so, just a minute. Hey, I will download. I will download. Yeah, that is the spirit. I like it, babes. Done? Downloaded? Okay, just a minute. I'll pause it for some time. Different organs of different organisms to make best animal. Later on, it became camel. Camel, have you seen? Very worst animal. So long neck. This and that. What is this? Huh? Okay. Slide slow presentation by our hero. Who is he? Yes. Jain Lama. Give him a big round of applause. So slowly. So just you will read question and tell answer. Okay. Yes. Today I'm not using too much because sound was not so much good quality, right?
Namaskar everyone, I am the member of Group A and I'm here to present about the questions for first terminal. Uh, thank you for my members to send me the questions and so I was able to make the presentation. So I would like to start my presentation. First is multiple choice questions. Now I would start. Who is known as the father of taxonomy? The father of taxonomy, as you all know, the options are J.G. Mendel, sorry, Aristotle, Robert Hooke, and Carlos Linnaeus. So I would like to ask you all, who do you think the father of taxonomy is? And that is correct. The correct answer to this is Carlos Linnaeus, as you can see here. Uh, the next slide is which of the following is known as the brain of the cell? The options are lysosomes, chromoplast, dictosomes, and nucleus. Which do you think? Which of from the which following? Nucleus is correct. The correct answer to this question. The next slide is cell is the blank unit of life. The options are nucleus, biggest, structure and function, simplest. Which of the following do you think is the correct? This is the correct answer to this question. Which of the following is a cybercrime? The options are genuine identity, fake identity, open secret sites, and sending messages. Which is and that is correct. Fake identity is a cybercrime. Yeah. The next question is which of the following is a popular search engine? The options are Bing, Chrome, Internet Explorer, or Facebook. That that is correct. It is Google Chrome, the most popular search engine in the world right now.
Chrome is a web browser.
Yeah, it's Google. No problem.
The next question is what is the full form of Wi-Fi? The options are wireless focus, wired fidelity, wired focus, or wireless fidelity. Which of the? That is correct. It is wireless fidelity. What is the first step of scientific method? The options are conducting an experiment, making an observation, forming a hypothesis, or predicting the results. That is correct. It is making an observation. It is the first step of scientific method as it helps to form many theories and hypotheses. The next question is who proposed the five kingdom system? James Watt, Carlos Linnaeus, Robert Koch, or Robert Harding Whittaker? That is correct. It is Robert Harding Whittaker, American ecologist who proposed the five kingdom system. The next slide is. The next question is. The next question is which of the following organism is kept in the kingdom Protista? The options are cyclone, virus, bacteria, or amebia. That is correct, amebia. The next one is very short questions. There are about 8 questions in total. So the first question is what is known as the hard copy output device? Yes, printer is known as the hard copy output device because it prints in a paper all the things you need to print. The next question is, what is a cell? Yes, cell is the basic and functional unit of functional structural unit of life that builds up all the living organisms. It is basically like Legos, building blocks that builds up every single organism and parts. The next one is, why is search engine used to write with examples? Why is search engine used? Search engine is used to find information and collect data about a specific topic on which they want to gather information. Some of the examples are Google, Yahoo, Bing, Internet Explorers. Next question is, what is a survey? Any guesses what is a survey? So yes, so survey is a method of gathering information or data from a group of people or population. Survey is commonly used in countries to count the number of people by doing census. The next question is, write any two parts suicidal bags of the cell. Lysosomes, yes, that's correct. Lysosomes are known as the suicidal bags of the cell because they contain dangerous digestive enzymes that when they burst, they kill the whole cell. That's why they are called suicidal bags of the cell. The next question is, write the 5 kingdoms that are classified by Robert S. Whittaker. That's correct. Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animala are proposed by Robert Haddon Whittaker. Monera, Plantae, and Animala were already in the 2 kingdom system, but it was very hard to classify some of the sex like Euglena having the both characters of Plantae and Animalia, so they could not be kept in a certified group. Monera, Protista, and Fungi are new. Monera is a prokaryote, and rest of them are eukaryotes. The next question is, what is the basic unit of classification? The basic unit of classification is species, as you all know, because species helps to identify the type of animal and what kingdom they belong to. Thank you.
Thank you very much. What a wonderful performance, right? And what a wonderful slide also. Give him a big round of applause. So, Group A members, please come here. Group A members come here because whole credit goes to Group A because this is a unity work, combined work. Okay, so group leader, which group leader? Abhisha Duwari is group leader, and today's presentator, Jen. Next member, Sumit Khanka, and next member, Amrit Kumar. Give them a big round of applause once again. Yes. So this week, what do we discuss? We'll discuss these with Group A and Group B, and after completion of it, every day we'll do Group C and Group D. Accordingly, two groups will complete, and you will have much more idea what type of question will be asked. I have already said you the grid. What is the grid? MCQ 10 marks. Please go. And very short questions 8 marks. Short questions 16 marks, and long questions 16 marks. Did I give you the grid how to make question? Have I given or not? 10 MCQ only I have given?
10 MCQ and 8 questions.
I have said like that, right? Okay, children. Then let's learn how to make other questions. Here is whiteboard. After a long time, I'm using whiteboard, right? Always presentation, grid. SN means how many chapters are there? Chapter, MCQ, very short questions answer, short question answer, and long questions answer. What the first chapter? Sign. Oh, it became God ko bod, right? It became first one. What is first one? First, your scientific and second one
Information and
ICT. Third one
living beings and
living beings and their structure. Okay, tomorrow's presentation is from which group? Group B. What are they going to present? And that next one, next slide. This adverse effects of this one. This chapter is not completed now, no?
we have not seen.
This one. Oh, why did you hear? Microorganism, friends and enemies. This is one. Which duty is that?
Ruby,
Group E. Who belongs to Group E?
Susan,
Yeah. Page number 81, 82, 83. Hello. Page number 81 to 84. Hello. Group E. Group E 81 to 84. Okay. 81 to 84. And Group A. Which Group A? Oh, again your turn again. So Group F. Yeah, Group F 85 to 88. 85 to 88. And tomorrow Group B will present this MCQ and short questions. Okay. Did you get what I said you? Group B question model. Group E. What do they do? Presentation. Group F also presentation next day. Okay. MCQ. Means 10 question 10 mark, 8 question 8 marks, 8 questions how many marks? 16 marks, 4 questions 4 marks. Accordingly you have to prepare. Hello, hey. Scientific learning. 3 MCQ 3 marks. 4 MCQ 4 marks. 3 MCQ 3 marks. Is it okay? Sorry? Oh, 16 marks, yeah. 16. Very short. 8 question means 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3. And short question. Hello, eh? Why is he laughing? Write down in your copy. Accordingly, you have to prepare question. Short questions. 8. 3 questions 6 marks. 2 questions 6 marks. 3 questions 6 marks. How much it became? 16. Now, very long questions. 1 question 4 marks. 2 questions 8 marks. 1 question 4 marks. Total how many marks here? 4, 10, 12, 3, 15 marks. 8, 12, 15, 4, 19 marks. How much became?
What is that? 2 of 4.
Thus, where it became Godward? Okay. Total how many marks?
15.
15 marks. Accordingly, you have to prepare question. So, scientific learning 15 marks, ICT 19 marks, living beings and their structure 16 marks. So, for making question, you can look at the set book also. In set book also, there are many more questions. You can select some question from there as well. Okay? Today this much, right?